Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick but essential feature of Telegram. How to view all the documents shared in your chat. Whether you're managing important files for work, sharing photos with friends, or just keeping track of things, this function makes it easy to access everything you've exchanged. Let's get started with our step-by-step guide on viewing shared documents in the Telegram app. First, make sure you have the Telegram app open on your Android device. If you haven't already installed it, head over to the Google Play Store and grab it. Once you've launched the app, the next step is to open the specific contact you want to check. You can find your recent conversations on the main interface. Just scroll through your chats and tap on the one you're interested in to open it. Now that you're inside the chat, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see the contact's name displayed there. Tap on their name, which will bring you to a new menu that holds more options. Here comes the final step. At the bottom of this menu, you'll see different tabs like Media, Files, and more. Go ahead and tap on Files. This will show you a comprehensive list of all the documents shared between you and that contact. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to access all shared documents in Telegram. With just a few taps, you can ensure you never lose track of important files again. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.